guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jyoti and welcome back to my channel. Now we all know smoky eyes can be very sultry and it can go with any outfit. But do you know smoky eyes can be created in less than 5 minutes? So today I will show you how to do that. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. First I'm gonna fill in my brows. So for this I'm using the Nykaa brow pencil. Then I'm going to clean my brows and also I will conceal my eyelid space. Now I will take a black eye pencil. This is Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So this is one of my favorite. I'm going to apply this generously on my upper lash line. So it doesn't have to be precise because we are going to be smudging this anyways. I'm also going to apply this on my lower waterline. Now I am going to take a flat brush and I will blend the edges. Now I am going to dip this brush into a black eyeshadow. For this I am using the Too Much Drama palette from Root Cosmetics. You can use any eyeshadow palette you have. Now this is the most important part. Any brown eyeshadow you apply on top of this will start magically appearing smoky. So I have taken this deep brown eyeshadow with the help of the small pencil brush and I am applying on top of that. Now the last step would be to take a transition shade, a shade which is very closer to your skin tone, so that all these shades blends beautifully into your eyes. I'm taking a small blending brush to do this. The reason why this is so quick because you're not spending any time to make it look neat. I'm also going to apply this on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply a liquid liner on my upper waterline. I usually apply some mascara and call it done. For today I will be using some false lashes. So for that I'm going to prep my natural lashes so it can merge with the false lashes well. I'm using this pair of false lashes. So we are done. I hope that was quick and easy, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. Thank you guys. I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.